We are in the Detroit Shoreway, one of the trendier up-and-coming neighborhoods. Lots of development happening. You're even going to see infill new construction over there. So the rent's incredibly high. Each one of these 3 units is going to feel like a single-family house. Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale Show, folks. Thing is selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour, HoltonWiseTV, giving it to you straight. All right, y'all, I got a big opportunity for you guys. How about not 1, not 2, but 3 units over in Detroit Shoreway in Cleveland, Ohio. 7010 Wakefield, right? Coming to you at $250,000. And you're going to get 3 units that all feel like a single-family house. That is much different than if I were offering to you like a regular triplex with up-down apartment units. That's not what we have here. What we have is 2 side-by-side units in one building and then a completely separate single-family home. So each one of these 3 units is going to feel like a single-family house, right? The duplex units, they're not the up-down. They're the side-by-side. They have multiple floors. They have separate basements. There is no common space where your tenants have to share the laundry and they fight each other like cats and dogs. There's no someone's above me running around on the floor while I'm trying to sleep, or upstairs they're just trying to do their thing. They go to the kitchen, make a little bit of lunch, and then I'm over here banging on their freaking floor with a broom because I'm trying to sleep, right? And you get the back and forth with these tenants, folks. It's nonstop, and it's obnoxious. And you might be like, well, what do I care if they're arguing and they're going back and forth and it's obnoxious? I'll just hire HoltonWise to be my property manager so I don't have to deal with it. That's fine. That's all well and good. That is an accurate statement. You can hire HoltonWise, and we will deal with all those problems for you, and you'll never have to spend any of your time dealing with tenants bickering and fighting. But you got to think outside the box, folks. Think beyond that. Sure, you don't have to deal with the problem. We will deal with the problem for you. But when you have unhappy tenants because of that type of living situation, typically they're going to move in and out of your apartment building more frequently. More frequent turnovers are going to result in you spending more money on turnover repairs, lost rent. So in the end, even though you don't have to deal with the problem directly, it's still going to hit your bottom line. So that's why whenever you get the opportunity to pick up a multifamily like this where every unit feels like its own home, you absolutely should. Not to mention that they're going to stay longer. We are in the Detroit Shoreway, one of the trendier up-and-coming neighborhoods. Lots of development happening. You're even going to see infill new construction over there. So the rent's incredibly high, right? These tenants have been in there for a little while. Each of their rents are going to, or their leases rather, I should say, are going to expire sometime in 2025. One is around like June or July. The other's like April or May. And they're paying $10.99 and $10.50. But where we're at right now with the increase in rents we've seen in this market over the last few years, those are easily $1,350 units. And then the vacant unit, which you've probably been looking at quite a bit, as you can see, it's rather scuzzy and nasty. That's also going to be a $1,350 unit. But, of course, you're going to have to do some work to it. If you'd like us to do the work, that's fine. We can get it rent ready for you. Cost on that's going to be roughly $9,500 to $10,000 for us to get this completely rent ready to get you that $1,350. Additionally, you're going to have to get this thing lead certified, and the cost on that is going to be like $17,000, $18,000. So in total, right, you're looking at like between 26 and 30K would be like a nice way to put it. Between $26,000 and $30,000 is going to be your cost to go from where you are right now to completely fully occupied triplex, bringing in over $4,000 a month in one of the more desirable neighborhoods in Cleveland. You could go Section 8, but you could also go cash because in this particular area, you get a lot of people that want to live over there. Detroit Shoreway, very, very popular. Do some research on that. Don't just take my word for it. Go ahead and do some research on that neighborhood. Lots of things are happening over there. It's very desirable. So you're going to get a higher quality of tenant than if you're just in, like, you know, one of the many neighborhoods in Cleveland where you got a bunch of Section 8 tenants and they're only living there because it's cheap, right? You know, the draw is it's cheaper than other places. That's not the case here. This is one of the more desirable areas, right? To make an offer on this, just send an email to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. Includes your proof of funds if you're paying cash. Includes your pre-approval letter if you're financing it. If you are trying to finance it but you don't have a lender, you need a lender, just let me know, sales@HoltonWise.com. I'll give you my Rolodex of lenders. Reach out if you want to tour that vacant unit prior to putting in your offer. Reach out to us before 5 o'clock. We'll get you in there same business day. If it's after 5 o'clock, we'll get you in there next business day. And what I want you to do now, I don't want you to leave. I don't want you to worry about sending that offer just yet. I want you to stick around because what I'm going to do now is show you the completely uncut, unedited footage of the property that you've been seeing, right? All the stuff that's been going on the screen while I've been talking, discussing this property with you. I want you guys to see that in its entirety because I know many of you are watching this from out of state, so I'm all about transparency here for two reasons. One, I think transparency is incredibly important, right? I want you to know what you're getting. Two, I don't want you wasting my fucking time, okay? I don't have time for motherfuckers to put in offers of properties that they don't really know what they look like, and then I got to fucking sell the thing 3, 4, 5 times. I don't got fucking time for that. So pay attention so you can see exactly what you're getting, and then you could make an informed decision, and you better be committed to buying the property at that point. If you're just a looky-loo, you're just thinking about it, I don't want to fucking hear from you. I got no time for that, okay? So serious buyers only. Take a look at the unedited footage right now.
Wakefield, I think. Front house, definitely been wrapped recently, newer windows. Backyard, third house. Big ass house. Porch. That's not good. All right. Interior living room. Light is not helping very much here.
You got the basement light on for you there. It's pretty well open and lit though.
Alright, cool. stupid ass knee.
Well, you know, lifting 500, 600 pounds is good.
I'll do it to you.
You'll have it with those big weights.
Oh, it's nice, dude. This is a creepy.
Yeah, basement's kind of weird.
Nice and dungeony.
Damn, we got a big ass lazy Susan up here.
Right? Water tank. Oh man, Alright, here's the thing. There is a panel back there. I'm not crawling in that shit though. That's gross. Weird. Bathroom. Can almost turn around in here. One bedroom. Bedroom 2. Jump in. The big bedroom. If I'm not mistaken, this is either partially finished. Yeah. Safety. Stupid gimbal. No, it's just natural light. Golly. Gimbal's perfectly balanced. I don't understand why it keeps doing that.
Gimbal fuck up?
Yeah, that's fine now.
And then if the new one fucks up, then we'll know.
We just got this one last year.
See?
Hey-oh!
See, it doesn't make any goddamn sense. What?
It's not hot.
It's not fucking cold.
Oh my god, fuck you, Gimbal.
It's windy as fuck outside. You think like if it was the fuck up, the wind would do something, but.
That's the only thing I can think of. Maybe it's just off balance. Alright, we're good. Woo! Yeah, see, like, it's fine now.
Yeah, I have no idea why it does that. It doesn't make any sense.
This is gonna be, that's gonna be great fucking footage. Thing is, it hit it so hard, it just destroyed. Yeah. Got this, but like. That's probably broken. No, it's closed.
It's going flapping in the wind.
HoltonWise.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.